Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and this is your very first time here. Please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. So we're gonna dive into some things with this unit, okay? If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back.
Your body, feeling like I wanna rock with your body, and we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation, and we don't gotta think about nothing. Been here all night, I've been here all day, and my got me walking side to side. I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my got me walking side. Baby, what's it gonna hurt if they don't know? Making everybody think that we solo. Just as long as you know you got me. And boy, I got you. Guess tonight I'm making deals with the devil, and I know it's gonna get me in trouble. Just as long as you know you got me. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no, cause I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and I got me walking side to side. Been trying to have your body, rock with your body, rock with your body, rock with your body, I wanna 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 rock with your body. Clothes is my mini. Body smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feel it cause they feeling me. I give zero and I got zero Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Let me ride, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This steps in heavy wine. Last minute pips to the line. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Dip, 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 don't hesitate when you.
So today's unit was sent to me by Divas, so thank you for kindly sending me this gorgeous unit. It's from the Outre Sleeklay lace front wig part collection, and I got it in the style Zaylee in the color 4. It's in 16 inches, you guys, and it comes in a bunch of other specialty colors. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has an HD transparent lace, and this is what the stock card is looking like. And it does come in some other specialty colors. The Sleeklay is more hand-tied lace near the part. It creates a sleek, flat look finish. Get a humpless laid finish with no heat styling required. Some of the key features that is a wider hand-tied lace part extra hand tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, humpless, laid finish, natural baby hairs, and heat friendly. So this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It's showing you one of the other colors that this unit comes in. And here are the key features and some fun facts about it. And yeah, you guys, I am loving this wig. It's cute. It's giving holiday vibes. Like, I'm loving it. This unit does come with a left side part, so just keep that in mind. Or actually, yeah. So this unit is a left side part. Just keep that in mind. I made it a middle part. I saw another YouTuber. I cannot think of her name right now, but I will insert her picture right here. I'm so sorry. I literally am drawing a blank, but I will insert her picture right here. And I saw her move this wig to the middle, and she actually made the full like wig without the part, and I was like, that's so cute. But I wanted to keep the part, but I did like the face framing that she did, so I was like, yes, queen. If y'all don't know her, make sure y'all follow her. But I'm loving the color. You guys know I love me some chocolates and 2s4s on my channel. And yes, this unit was an easy slay. The Sleeklay part collection is my favorite collection from Outre, however you guys like to pronounce it. It's just so easy. On this channel, I cater to the lazy wig wearer, you know, the lazy girl method. The only thing that I did was I went in underneath with my Fenty foundation. I put some powder underneath. I also put some powder in the part. As far as like the hairline, that you guys had saw earlier, my girl Kyra Shawn, if you don't know her, make sure you follow her as well. But I watched one of her videos and she used some styling foam on her lace, and it just made it look so natural. And she didn't have to glue it down, nothing. And I was like, yes, girl, yes. So I'll have a link to one of her videos in the description box below as well. But y'all, I was like, I love me some plop and goes. I do feel like I could move it over, just shift it just to be directly in the middle of my forehead. But yes, I'm loving the curl pattern. The texture is very, very nice. I don't feel like there's any tangling or shedding going on right here. I don't have to brush it out. I literally don't have to do anything. I did just cut it just to give it a little bit more face framing for me. But I like this unit, y'all. It's definitely giving holiday. I did go in just a little bit with my, what is this? With my hot comb, just to give it more of a flat finish at the top, because this unit is kind of meant to be worn, you know, as a left side part. So I did go in just to give it more of a flat finish. But yes, y'all, I'm feeling this unit. It's so cute. I feel like I'll be moving so much in my videos. I watch my videos back and I'm like, I'm always moving and touching. I need to just sit still sometimes. So I'm gonna work on that. So yes, this unit does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hair friendly. It is 16 inches as well. And as far as the texture of this unit, it's not on the silky side. It's not really like a super textured wig. It's just giving a premium fiber wig. So the price for this unit on Divas' website is $36. Make sure you guys check it out. The link is in the description box below. And yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.